In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys step by step on how you can link or connect Payoneer account to eBay. As you can see here guys, I just connected my Payoneer account to eBay, and the payments, like each time I have available funds, they will go to my Payoneer account every single day. Okay, so after you get guys sales on eBay, after someone purchases something from you, after they are available, after someone like receives their product, the funds will be guys available. Or you wanna wait 15 days or 21 days, and then the funds will be available. After they are available, they go to your Payoneer account every single day. Okay, as you can see, I have like $51, and this $51 tomorrow I will find it on my Payoneer account. Now, how you can connect that? It's very easy. I'm going to create a new account and show you guys step by step on how you can create, or how you can link Payoneer to your eBay so that you can receive the payments. Okay, now I'm going to go to I'm going to create a new account, a new eBay account, and then I show you guys, I will show you guys how you can do that. Okay, how you can connect Payoneer to eBay. Now, to connect Payoneer to eBay, there is no way you can do it on the settings. The only way guys you can connect Payoneer to eBay is if you click on sale in the top right. If you click on sale and try to list an item, it could be anything. As you can see, click on list an item, and here it says here, tell us what you are selling. Okay, you just need to act like you are trying to sell something, and then eBay will ask you guys to link your Payoneer, and they will ask you guys for your credit card information. Okay, now what you need guys, I'm just going to list a random product here. This doesn't mean this product will be listed guys to your eBay. It just it will be as a draft until you add your Payoneer, and then you can list it if you want. Okay, now you want to click done, and you just need to click you want to click here and then select the suggested. It says here, if you want to list this on the eBay motors, parts, accessories, motorcycles. If this product, for example, is related to specific category, just need to select that category here, and then here select the condition of your item, which is new, and then click continue selling. Okay, so here we need to add here the pictures. I'm just going to add here random pictures, because guys, like I said, this is just to add the Payoneer account. I'm not trying to sell this item. I just want eBay to show me the option where I can add my Payoneer account. That's why I'm listing right now. That's what you need guys to do until. Okay, the type here, I'm just going to drive Shane. The manufacturer number, I'm not going to add it. The item included, I'm going to click seal. Here material type, I'm going to enter street motorcycle. Finish, I'm just going to add here random things. Okay, the country or region of manufacturer, I'm going to select China. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down, and here it says here the description. I'm just going to add here, this is a good product, don't buy it. Just a joke. And then here the format, you want to click on buy now. Okay, make sure you select buy now so that they will show you guys the option to add your Payoneer account. The price, I'm going to add here $1,000. Quantity 2. Minimum offer. If you want to accept offers, I'm not going to accept offers. I do accept offers on my eBay, but right now I just don't want to add here the minimum offer, you know, and the maximum. I'm not going to add it right now. And here add the volume pricing. Okay, I'm not going to add it to your listing goes immediately unless you select a time and the date you want to start it. Okay, I'm not going to select the date. I want to list it right now so that they can show you guys, they can show me how the Payoneer, how can I add the Payoneer. I add my Payoneer account to eBay. So here it says here, okay, I'm going to add here. I'll click on see shipping options. Here offer international shipping, as you can see. And yeah, and what you need guys now is just need to click on here and then select the same cost regardless of eBay location, or buyer location, I'm sorry. Here, or it says, okay, here it says here add primary service. Sorry for my English. Here I'm just going to add the USPS medium mile. Okay, Like I said, this is just a test. And then scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, and then you want to select here require immediate payment when buyer uses buy it now. Okay, check this box, then click list it. If I made a mistake, they will show me. Okay, they say here it looks like something is missing on invalid, please fix any issues and try again. Okay, these are the issues: the item location and the domestic shipping cost. I'm going to okay, I'm going to add here the item location. I'm going to add it right now. Done. Here it says domestic shipping cost. Okay, buyer, it's going to just charge here the shipping price. Okay, click list now and see if it goes live. It's not going to go live. It's just going to ask you guys, before this goes live, you need to complete this. You need to add your Payoneer account. Okay, so okay, just wait. As you can see, it's loading right now. So they are going to show me, guys, where I can add all the information. So this is a new account. Okay, I don't know why this is taking so long. This site can't be reached. I don't know why. I'm going to click on reload again. I'm going to reload this page, hopefully. Okay, it says here this site can't be reached. I don't know the reason, but for you, I don't think you will find this reason. But for you will find here something like add your credit card, stuff like that. Okay, that's exactly it. It says here set up your selling account. Scroll down and click get started. So after, guys, you click on get started, what you need, guys, you need to enter here the number and stuff like that, and then click on text me. They will give you guys a code here, and then you need to click on next. It will say sync your profiles, add your financial info, and you will ask you guys for a Payoneer account. Now, if you already have a Payoneer account, you want to select there I already have a Payoneer account. If you don't have it, you want to select create a new one. Okay, it says here the first one is connect Payoneer account. Okay, before we can connect your account, we need first to verify your phone number. After you add your phone number, they will ask you guys to connect the Payoneer account. You just need to click on it, and it will take you directly, guys, to your Payoneer account. Here it says here add financial info. We need a card in fill in case you have outstanding amounts owed to eBay. Your refunds are inefficient. Okay, so if you don't have, guys, you need credit card and the Payoneer account before you can start selling on eBay. So, guys, if you have any questions, I reply to every single one, guys. You just need to comment below and I reply to everyone. See you guys in the next video. Have a good day.